been a long day. I really, as always, thought I was going to be ahead of all this and did this really fast, and of course it took way longer than I ever predict it's going to take. What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Broke Premiere. This intro is going to be a little different. I actually already recorded this, and for some reason these awesome cameras reset it. So I'm going to do this again, but it's actually the end of this episode, and I've already completed everything, and you'll still see a lot of that work. You'll just miss my intro. So basically, I bought this car behind me. It's a Nissan Altima. It is 2006, and I got it for $600. When I got it, it had a overheating issue. So literally, like, the coolant was just pouring out of the engine when I bought it, like right out of the radiator. The bottom of the radiator like exploded off. So it's pouring water everywhere, just like as you started it. I drove it home. I kind of had to drive, turn it off, and finally I got it here. It's been sitting probably for about a week or two. I've been working on this guy, as you have seen in the last videos, but I needed to take a break from this. I need to make some money, so I came back to this. All the parts came in for this. So in this video, you're gonna see me install the radiator, the two thermostats, the upper and the bottom. I know, kind of weird. And the water pump. And then you'll also see me clean and polish the entire thing. I mean, honestly, I really didn't have to do that much work. This thing was pretty dang clean when I got it, which was awesome. But other than that, yeah, let's get to the footage. All right, guys, so I wrapped everything up. I buttoned up all the little issues, or all the little connectors, try to make this look pretty again. So top's on. We did the upper thermostat, we did the lower thermostat, radiator's in, the water pump is also in, and right now I'm just trying to let it warm up. I'm checking for any type of leak. And so far so good. Honestly guys, it was so bad when I bought the car. As soon as you started it, it just started pouring water everywhere. But as you can see, we're still getting to the point of warming up. So we're just gonna give it a few minutes, let it warm up completely, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, so it's officially warmed up. So that's about it for the work on this car. I mean, the next thing I'm gonna do tomorrow is we'll literally just clean this thing up. Basically just spit shine the whole thing. Oh, fans kicked on, perfect. Both fans, cool. All right, yeah, we're gonna do the headlights tomorrow. Basically just wash, wax, and buff this whole thing. And then I'll go take some nice shots and put it up and get it listed to sell. All right guys, see you in the morning. All right guys, welcome back to the next morning here. So I actually moved the car. I realized last night, probably just after taping, the car was getting a little hot, and I realized that I had forgot to bubble out the coolant. So I did that this morning, just kind of squeezed the tubes, filled it up, topped it off with some water. And right now we're gonna spray this thing down and give it a good clean. Luckily the rim's are already pretty good, but I did pick up a nice little tool to help out. So this should make it easier, a lot more fun. Let's get at it. All right guys, I think that's gonna wrap up another episode of Broke Premiere. I do hope this will be the fastest and easiest flip I've ever done. Honestly guys, this came pretty dang clean. There wasn't much I had to do. It came out just absolutely gorgeous. The headlights came out amazing. I can't even believe the difference of this car. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Later guys.